Follow the steps on how to make a glossy round button like this in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start by making the background dark. Lock layer 1 and add a new layer. Press L and make a circle. Set to center. Prepare metal panels. Set the stroke above and click gold color. Set the stroke thickness. Open gradient. Set fill above. Set it like this. Press G to edit. Create an ellipse above it. Press X/X to delete the stroke. And reset the gradient like this. Press G and edit. Select and press O. Click and copy rotate. And edit like this. Select and group. Copy and replace with a different color. Finished. OK. Support this channel by clicking like and leaving your best comments. Activate the notification bell to get the latest updates from this channel. Thank you.